gabi, mga kaibigan.
PBA fans!
Magandang gabi. Mukhang madami-dami tayo, ha? Pachikas na lang mamaya.
Kami po ang banda Parokya ni Kume.
Parokya ni Kume. One and done lang po to, ha? One and done. Kaya please, banda yung Gcash.
At first I was afraid to eat that pizza pie. Kept thinking this is not a good, this is a pizza pie. And I spent so many nights just eating my tortang talong. And I grew strong because of my tortang talong.
Biglang may box from outer space.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan?
Nakita ko sabay kinuha ko yung box from outer space. Takay pizza pie, sobrang laki. Tikman ko, bitikman, segon sa ubos ko parang mali.
Ngayon ako ay ganito. Kung di ka pizza pie, di you're not welcome anymore. Ngayon sa akin ang pizza pie, ayoko magmahiwalan para sa'yo.
Hey!
Handa akong magpagkabatan.
Now I love pizza pie.
Kamay naman dyan.
As long as I eat pizza pie, I know I'll be alive. I want all my garlic beef, pepperoni, double cheese, and pizza pie. Ang pizza pie, baby.
Palakpakan naman tayo dyan. Oh. Pachikas mamaya, ha? Yung number.
Cause now I love pizza pie. Yeah, as long as I eat pizza pie, I know I'll be alive. I want all my garlic beef, pepperoni, double cheese, and pizza pie. Ang pizza pie, baby.
Thank you very much!
Maraming salamat po.
Salamat
sa 50
sa
million
parokya.
viewers natin sa TV. Maraming salamat. At manood kayo ng PBA lagi. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Parokya ni Kume!
That's the best pizza pie rendition ever.
Parokya ni Kume. Palakpakan naman natin sa pambeses, Arvin Tolentino, Larry Muyang, Russell Escoto, Keith Datu, Japet Aguilar, and your lead singer, lead vocalist, Robert Bolig.
Palakpakan naman natin sila.
Berto, marami kayong pinasaya. Pero mas marami kayong ginalit. Problema yung Gcash ninyo, mga abangan.